Using Sky Stream. Sky Stream brings a world of TV to life. Pick up the remote to get started. You can also press the home button on your remote control at any time to get to the home screen. Along the top of the screen are a selection of top picks, recently watched shows and new series. Scroll to the left and you'll find the apps, shows and channels you've recently viewed. Recently used devices, like games consoles, will be there too. When you select a show, you'll see all the episodes available now and on this week. Or choose More Like This to see similar shows. For movies, you'll see parental guidance and a star rating. With categories such as TV shows, movies, sports, and more, you can see some of the best Sky Stream has to offer from a range of different apps in one place. TV Guide shows you a snapshot of what's on right now and coming up next. Select View All to look further ahead across all channels. Playlist is where you can find anything you've saved with the playlist button. Apps shows your most recently used apps and devices. Keep pressing down to get to My Sky. You can view your bill, manage your account, or find more help. The homepage is regularly updated, so you can see the full range of shows, movies, sport, and more available to you with Sky Stream. For more information, go to sky.com/help or say My Sky to your Sky Stream.